Hello everyone, welcome to a new vlog. In this video I'm going to show you all the preparation for my Patreon opening. If you don't know, Patreon is an online platform that allows you to support your favorite artist. With a monthly subscription you can get exclusive content from them. In my case I'm going to offer watercolor online classes, digital downloads, printables and a sketchbook club, and also Happy Mail, a print and a sticker sent to your home every month. If you are interested, the link is in the description below, of course, no pressure at all. Also, this month I went to paint almond trees with the Urban Sketches group here in Madrid. The blossoming of the almond trees is like only 2 weeks, so you have to be very quick and go there before it's over. It was an amazing experience to go there and paint under all those beautiful trees with my friends, but also a bit strange because it was 18 degrees in winter and you realize that climate change is here with all its consequences, and that is a little scary, for me at least. There will be a mini unboxing too, because I received the microphone I bought for recording my Patreon tutorials and also the podcast that we are going to have there. So thank you for being here again. I hope you enjoy it a lot and see you at the end of the video. Bye! Hi again, friends. Today is Monday. I'm going to start making my Patreon rewards for the first month. I'm going to do a postcard and a sticker. For the postcard, I have chosen my Lavender Fields watercolor painting. Is this one? I don't know if it is focused. I think so. And for the sticker, I have done another watercolor. It's a lavender bouquet to match the postcard. So I'm going to begin making the postcards and then I'm going to do the stickers. Let's go. And guys, this is the final result. This is the postcard. And this is the sticker. And if you want them, you can get them on my Patreon until the end of March. Hello friends! Today is Thursday and I'm going to go to paint album trees with my friends from Urban Sketches. I've been wanting to go to paint the album blossom for 3 or 4 years now, and every year something happened and I couldn't go. It's like the curse of the almond tree or something like that. And finally this year the stars have aligned and I'm very excited because I love painting trees. It's one of my favorite things to paint in the world. I don't know how much I'm going to record because I want to enjoy the experience to the fullest, but I invite you to come with me and enjoy it too from wherever you are. Let's go! Qué bonito. Hello everyone, this is VoiceOver Isabel. Today I received my new microphone. It's a Blue Yeti. I bought it because I wanted to improve the audio quality in my videos, both on YouTube and the tutorials and demos that I'm doing on Patreon, and for the podcast that I'm going to have there too. This voiceover is recorded with the new microphone. Do you notice the difference? I think the quality of the sound is amazing. By the way, this video is not accelerated, it's that I was running out of battery in my camera, so I had to do everything super fast. So that's all for today's video. Now I have some patrons, so I can say thank you very much, patrons, for your support. I always wanted to say that in one of my videos. So thank you to the rest of you, of course, for watching the video, and see you very soon in the next one. Bye!